Hello everyone, I am Walt, and here we are with part 57 of this series, 101 Ways to Feel Happy on a Daily Basis. Let's dive on into part 57. Yes. Okay, so last time we were learning about, not watching too many ads and stuff, avoiding advertisements, and this principle is a fun one here about picking flowers and putting them in your house. There are many beautiful flowers out in nature. Being close to nature is pretty nice for all the kind of flowers you can see. It's a little out of magnolia season, but otherwise this tree in front of us is always a brilliant, magnolia tree in the spring, of course, stuff like that. But yeah, there's so many flowers out there for you to pick and to enjoy. Take the time to smell the roses, whole idea, but there are plenty of other flowers besides just roses that are worth smelling. There can be beautiful flowers. Many flowers are just absolutely wonderful. I'm not saying, you need to be a flower enthusiast or anything. I'm just saying that flowers can be something they're really nice, and a lot of people like them. Bring them into your house to feel better. Bring them into wherever you live, all that kind of stuff. I think that it can really do something for you. I think that is true. But a lot of times, I don't think we take the time to pick the flowers. I mean, just to go out and find some flowers and pick them, and go inside and put them in a vase and put them in a window, smell the flowers. I think that it's just, a lot of us are so busy all the time. We're doing all these things that are important or, that we love doing, but sometimes we're just kind of distracted from what matters in our lives. We, feel like, okay, I need to do this, this, and this, and then when, we let some things slide over here, and we just kind of forget to do this thing over here. I think that this is just, something that we all do, and it's important to forgive yourself for that kind of stuff. But also it's important to take the time to relax a little bit, to enjoy the flowers, to enjoy the fighting hummingbirds around us. Hummingbirds are beautiful, but they fight all the time, and it's hilarious. Anywho, yeah, it's such a nice existence that we have here in the world. It's, regardless of where you live and, your situation, regardless of the mistakes you've made, there's always time to, go and pick the flowers, smell them, bring them in. Try to make life a little bit better, and that will make you happier overall. Anyway, that's about it for this video. I am Walt. Check out my materials I have personally written for Amazon, or of course some of the best self-help books of all time that I have linked up in the description and hopefully the comments. Otherwise, if you don't want to do that, just stick around for more self-help stuff and spread the word, make some other people happier all around, because that's what we really want here. Bring about some more happiness in the world and all that kind of fun stuff. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time with our next video. Stay tuned. I'll see you then.